Let's add an image to our web page. And I'm going to do this by clicking at the end of the unordered list and inserting two blank lines. And I'm going to insert an image by using the image source element. And I do this by, and I'm just going to paste it in there, by using image source, or src, equals, and then notice how I have my open quotation marks. And so the actual path to my image has to be enclosed within the quotation marks. Then I have a space, and then a forward slash, and then I have my tag, the greater than sign, that closes the image source element. Now, notice that I use c:\\, and then the name of the image is john_small.jpg. And so I'm going to save this just so you can see that it is there. So I'm going to save, Control S, and then I'm going to click on my web page and press F5 to refresh. Now notice that the image, and this is me in front of one of Microsoft's buildings in Umpqua, is shown here on the page. Now, let's say that I make a mistake. So I erase, part of the file's name, the double L's. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to click on my web page and press F5 to refresh. And now I have a placeholder for the image, but there's no image to display. In other words, the browser can't locate it. And so I'm going to fix my typing mistake, save it, Control S, click on my web page, and I could just Alt-Tab. So if I'm here in my Notepad++ document, I could Alt-Tab over. I'm going to press F5 to refresh. Now, if I use this type of a path, which is c:\\, and then the name of this file, what happens if I'm developing this web page for a customer, and then I take this completed web page and the image, and I move it to their server? That means that I'm going to have to put the image on the C drive of the server and make sure that it has the same name. And so what you're going to want to do is use relative references. And so you'll create a folder in which you would put your web pages. And then you'd create another folder within that folder and name it Images. All of your images will be put in the Images folder. In that case, all I would have to do is refer to the Images folder, and it would be relative to this web page. Its location would be relative to this web page, and it wouldn't have to find the C drive. We'll discuss that in a later chapter where we talk about how to place our files and folders within a website.